guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're doing our back to school and beach saving challenges. So we have $2.75 that we're starting with. $4.57. All right. So we have $4 to play with this week. I had a little bit more, but I had to use some to get some hair products for my daughter, but that is okay. I added a little bit more numbers to the spin wheel to give us a little bit more spins to try to even this out, because like when I first started I only had like just 1 and 2, then I think I had just added another 1 and 2, so I'm trying to figure this out as I go, so they won't constantly keep landing on the same number. So once I find the right one, I'll finally stick to it. Alright, so this is Simply Live and Save, and this is, I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say it again, but it's Simply Live and Save. I got this off her Ko-Fi account. So this is 1, this is 2. $2 going into our back to school, and we have $2 going into our beach vacation. Alrighty, I hope you guys have a awesome week. Stay cool because it is hot. We've been having 100-degree weather these last few days. So enjoy your time with family, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.